Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to use the GoodX WebApp Minimiser. The Minimiser is a feature designed to help you multitask effortlessly. The Minimiser is available on all screens of the GoodX WebApp, located at the top right corner. Essentially, this feature allows you to pause multiple tasks without finalizing or losing progress, making it easier to manage a busy workload on those busy days. Think of it as your very own GoodX taskbar. In this video, we'll guide you through navigating the Minimiser, managing subscreens, and troubleshooting connection problems. To locate the Minimiser, hover over the button in the top right corner and click it. Once activated, the button turns blue. To close it, click the close icon. If you want the Minimiser to remain visible, click the Always Show button, represented by the eye icon. This will allow you to move it around while keeping it open. You can also return it to a minimized button state by clicking the icon again. Now let's move on to the other functional buttons. Click on the settings icon to open the settings screen. For more details, refer to the settings screen user manual linked in this video's description. Clicking on the minimize icon will store the task inside the Minimiser, allowing you to manage multiple tasks at once. For example, the setup wizard represented by the book icon can also be minimized onto your GoodX Minimiser. Now let's take a moment to go over a practical example. Say for instance, you're typing an email to a patient, and halfway through you would like to update or extract some information from the patient's details screen to include in your email. You can minimize the email workflow, open the patient's details section, and extract or update the necessary information. Thereafter, you can minimize the details screen and click the email template to expand the window and complete your email. Furthermore, the Minimiser is also very useful when working on telemed consultations. The video call will remain on the Minimiser, allowing you to freely navigate the system while still on the call. For more information regarding telemed calls, please refer to the Telehealth for Your Practitioner user manual linked in this video's description. Perfect. Now moving on to the next function. Next, we have the Task tab. Clicking on the Task tab will send you to the task screen where you can view and assign tasks to different users on the system. For more information regarding the task screen, please refer to the task screen user manual linked in this video's description. Clicking the More Options button will reveal the instant messaging section, where you will receive new message notifications from other users on your system. To view or send a message, click on the message section and the instant message screen will open. Here, you can send messages to other users within your entity. For example, you can notify a colleague about a new task you've assigned to them or any other necessary communication. For more detailed information on instant messaging, please refer to the Instant Messaging user manual linked in this video's description. If there are any network issues, the icon will turn red and a notification will appear alerting you that there is a connectivity problem. Here, you will be able to see precisely where the connection problem is. As we can see here, the problem lies with the normal connection and not the WebSocket. Now, normal connections refers to the computer's actual internet connectivity, like Wi-Fi or a disconnected Ethernet cable, while the WebSocket refers to the GoodX web server. As such, if the WebSocket is online and the normal connection is offline, please check to ensure you are connected to the internet before contacting FCL support. Alternatively, if it is the WebSocket that is offline, contact your FCL for assistance. If at any time you would like to review your system's connection status and health, please navigate to the About page. For more information on the About page, please refer to the Navigating the About page user manual linked in this video's description. And finally, once your internet connection is restored, your Minimiser will turn blue again. And with that, we have come to the end of this tutorial video. Thank you for watching.